800,000 pesos doesn't get you much car these days, but if there is one choice out there that makes a difference, it's the Changan CS15. This one combines flexibility, space and style, and get this, all for 799,000 pesos. Let's take a closer look. The CS15 takes on the familiar Changan family look in the sense that you get the butterfly chrome grille right here. LED daytime running lights are standard as well as halogen headlights. Over to the side, the CS15 clearly gets urban or city-friendly proportions. Its overall length is actually less than 4.2 meters. But what I like about it is that Changan is able to give it a bit more ruggedness. For example, its ground clearance is a generous 190 mm, and that's thanks to the 205/50 R17 tires and wheels, which are standard. Satin roof rails also give it a bit more flexibility if you plan to put in more cargo or put in things like accessories or what have you. Now, towards the back is something I actually like about what Changan has done with the design. Now, at the back, Changan designers were able to give it visually more width, and that's thanks to the blackout garnish right here. The blackout taillights also match it, which gives it a bit more uniform design. Camera has been well integrated right here, and get this, for its segment, and this is rare, opening is actually electronically actuated, which gives it a bit more premium feel. And of course, you get things like the rear fog light as well. For those planning to use the CS50 as an everyday family car, with the second row up, the cargo space is already a generous 230 liters. Drop the 60/40 split folding rear seats down, and that grows to up to 1,100 liters. Now, despite the compact exterior proportions, inside the CS15 would have an ample space for about 4 or 5 adults. Aside from that, get this, the vehicle is actually fully loaded to the brim given its price tag. For example, it gets like a leather steering wheel, leather seats, a sunroof. Aside from the cruise control, it also gets digital gauges, and at the center, a 7-inch display screen with mirror-link connection that's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. The aircon itself may be manual, but it also gets a pollen filter, which is important for those who are watching out for their health. It also gets things like an automatic headlights, variable intermittent wipers. Those are the things you normally don't find in vehicles of this price segment. With a name that stands for lasting safety, the CS15 does definitely live up to its namesake. With the CS15, despite the price tag, you get things like 4 SRS airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control with hill hold control, rear parking sensors, and a rear camera. For those who are planning to bring this to trails or maybe light off-roading, the CS15 also comes with additional safety and security provided by the tire pressure monitoring system. Unlike its competition, the gearbox here is actually a 5-speed dual clutch transmission, and that's something that you've actually seen before in the Changan Alsfin. In this case, however, it comes with the comfort and convenience of cruise control. Under its new distributor, Inchcape Philippines, Changan is definitely poised to hit the mainstream. With vehicles like the CS15, it definitely ticks all the right boxes for Filipinos looking to buy their first car. And with 5 colors to choose from and a price tag of 799,000 pesos, this definitely is a great choice out there. You can check it out for yourself at any of the authorized Changan dealerships nationwide.